Hi, Troy. To get to your instructor resources, go to our login site, put in your email, type in click. Next, type in your password, which is the word welcome with a capital W and the number 2. Hit sign in. That will take you to your instructor resource site. Now, at this site, you can add any of our books to this site and have access to their resources. Okay, I added this book, and to get to your resources, all you need to do is to click here and your resources show up here. So the course support is usually the manuals, etc. All righty. All right. So there's PowerPoints, test banks, all available for you. Also, we have our own test bank test generator. So this has essentially the same questions that our test bank has, but it's built into a test generator Cognero. It's very easy to use. You can create your own test, add your questions, whatever. Just to give you an example here, you can bring over the questions and they'll all show up here. And you can go in and edit them, delete them, go in and change the words if you want to. And then you can export them to Blackboard. So a lot of different things you can do with this test generator. Set up pools of questions, randomize them, etc. So that's your instructor resources. Now, I'm not sure if you're familiar with MindTap, but it's really a nice part of this package. I have set up a practice course that you can go in and look at. So if you click on this, this takes you to MindTap. So what MindTap is, in essence, it's our ebook and then built-in activities. So over here is the learning path, which is essentially the table of contents. Now, as I go through this very quickly with you, everything is very customizable. You can put things in a different order. You can hide them. You can make items for practice or for grade. All right. So if we go in and look at the different chapters or parts, everyone is going to be the same. We'll take a quick look at chapter 5. So this first part, when you see this icon, that's the ebook. So you can click on the ebook and it takes you to the book, which is the same as the printed book. Now, some advantages, students can highlight, they can add their own notes, they can click here and it can be read to them. So with our mobile app, they can listen to their ebook while they're exercising or driving somewhere. One other nice feature, should you want to use it, is you, the instructor, are the only one who has this orange highlight. If you highlight this, it goes to everybody, all their ebooks. The same with a note. If you go to add a note, you can do the share button and it goes to everybody. So those are a couple nice features of the ebook. Then under our assignments, they'll have a number of questions. And notice there's 3 boxes there. And so they're going to get 3 attempts at this. So they're going to read the question, answer it. And these questions are kind of set up so they're hard to Google. So they got to read and then answer questions about it. Once they've answered it, they'll click on grade it now. So I only got 1 out of 5 right. But then I can read the explanation. All right. And then after I figure out, oh, that's how I should do it, I can try another version. And they're going to give me a similar setup, but different questions. And they get 3 tries. So that type of homework is very good for students. It's not too threatening, and yet it really helps them think and review things. Now, under study tools, they have flashcards. We have a media quiz. They're going to show a video and then ask some questions about it. So a great way of getting your students involved in a class. This practice quiz is more of a multiple choice, true, false kind of standard quiz. And then chapter 5 also lists all the videos, and these are probably included in the ebook, but they're nice for you to be able to use in class. All this stuff can be linked into Blackboard, etc. It doesn't matter what chapter I would go to, it's kind of set up the same. Read, do your assignment, as your study tools, and your video. So that's an extremely quick look. I'm real happy to go over this in detail with you at any point in time. So let me know what you think and what questions you have. Have yourself a great day.